Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you guys are fine and doing great. Well, today uh, we're bringing another video for you guys, and the topic that we are going to discuss today is sustainability. What is a sustainable organization? Why sustainability is important for a company, and how a culture of developing a sustainable organization can be developed in a company. Well, sustainability refers to an organization which is focused on long-term achievement of its objectives. A company or a group of people which aims to work and deliver on initiatives that contribute positively towards the environment. So a company which is working in a manner that is environmentally friendly, an organization which considers and works for the mutual benefit of the stakeholders, a company, an institute which is aligned and motivated to improve the life of the stakeholders is a sustainable organization, and a company which is able to strategize, develop, and monitor a healthy and good balance between its economical, environmental, and social objectives. So let's discuss that why sustainable organization and why bother to develop an environment which is sustainable. First of all, we all want to achieve success that is sustainable. We want to see ourselves successful in the long run, to see ourselves successful for the longer duration in a sustainable manner. Any success that can be achieved today but will lead to negative results in the future will never be preferred by any one of us. So sustainable culture or organization is important because it is focused on long-term success, because it develops, talks and walks and communicates about a culture in which an organization accepts its responsibility towards the society and aims to participate and deliver its responsibility towards the people. A sustainable organization is able to develop its image as a very good employer, as it is focused on the benefit, on the lives of its employees. So a sustainable organization will have good employer branding. As the knowledge in the public have increased about corporate social responsibility and sustainable environment, customers are eager and willing to do business with organizations that are sustainable and that are focused on values. So a sustainable organization will be able to develop customer loyalty. A sustainable organization will be able to keep its pace with the rapidly changing economical, social, and technological environment. The company will be able to adopt and achieve flexibility in its performance and will be able to deliver long-term success. So that's why thinking, working proactively on developing a sustainable culture in an organization is very important. Let's discuss a few strategies that are important for developing a culture which will lead the organization towards long-term success and which will deliver and result into an organization being converted into a sustainable organization. First of all, top management, the leaders have to not only communicate about sustainability but also by example, live and make decisions that are true reflection that a company is focused towards long-term objective, towards delivering benefit to all its stakeholders rather than just its owners, rather than just its investors. The company is willing and striving to work for the benefit of its employees, for government, for public, for customers. And by building such image, a company will be able to achieve its long-term and actual growth. So first of all, the first step we have discussed is that leaders must walk the talk. The second is setting up rituals in our meetings, in our get-togethers, in our networking events, in our communications. We have to set the tone. The leaders and managers and executives are responsible for setting up the tone in which the sustainability is focused, communicated, and re emphasized at each and every level of the organization, so that whenever anyone is making a decision, that is always in the best interest of the company, of the organization, and of the lives of the people that are directly or indirectly affected by the setup, by the organization. So, building and developing rituals that talk, communicate, train the people, and deliver and re emphasize and focus the culture of sustainability is important. Third, symbols, for example, green environments, plants, gardens in the offices, our notebooks, diaries of our employees, the painting on the office walls, might be the presentation formats, company visiting cards, company logo, company giveaways, company products. All these symbols and colors must be reflective of an organization that is aimed to deliver sustainability, that is aimed to live sustainability, that is aimed towards achievement of long-term goals that are in mutual benefit of all the linked stakeholders. Fourth element is rewarding those people who live the value of sustainable organization, who reflect that sustainability is important for them in their decisions, in their actions, in their meetings, in their communication. We should develop themselves, reward those employees, and set them as example for the rest of the employees. So we must develop heroes who are aimed, aligned, and focused towards the objective of the company to develop a sustainable organization that will strive in rapidly changing economical, social, technological, political environments, and will be able to set up and strive an organization that is able to meet all the challenges, all type of situations, and still succeed and deliver mutually beneficial results. Then companies should participate in sustainability forums, again to develop its reputation as a company, as an institute, as an organization that values sustainability, that values the stakeholders, that is aimed at improving the life of the masses. As a result, it will able to attract and retain top talent, it will able to build customer loyalty, and it will be able to strive in the long term. It will be able to achieve sustainable success in the long term. Well, talking about all those five elements, first one, leaders must walk the talk. Second is building rituals. Third was symbols, then rewarding employees, and then participation in forums. Sixth, and the last one is strategizing, setting up KPIs at all the levels of the organization that are linked with sustainable objectives and agenda of the company, and then reporting actual achievement against those KPIs, and reporting them, monitoring them, evaluating actual achievement, working at improvement areas, identifying further gaps and areas where the results can be improved. With all these 6 factors will enable a company to develop a sustainable organization. I hope that you guys have enjoyed our today's video. Stay blessed, take good care of yourself. Bye bye, and have a nice weekend.